Ahaha! Welcome to today's video. Just one careless moment, one wrong decision, and everything can change. Intense situations and unpredictable consequences will keep you on edge. Watch closely and remember, staying focused behind the wheel is the key to safety. Bro just activated GTA 6 in real life. This guy woke up and chose no signals, no brakes mode. That turn was so bad. At this point, I think cars should come with an IQ test before starting. That wasn't a lane change, that was a life change. Dude drives like he's in a video game, but forgot there's no respawn. Some people drive like their insurance just expired. This is why aliens don't visit us. Bro is the reason driving tests should be yearly. Bro drives like he's in a Need for Speed tutorial. That's not a lane change. That's a teleportation attempt. He merged into another dimension. That wasn't a turn. That was a leap of faith. Some people drive like they have 5-star wanted levels at all times. Bro thought his car had plot armor. His GPS definitely said, turn left if you dare. He's driving like the road owes him money. That's not defensive driving, that's offensive driving. Bro just played real-life Frogger and lost. This is why expect the unexpected is in the driving manual. His blinker fluid must be empty. Bro changed lanes like he had nothing left to lose. That U-turn was brought to you by poor life choices. His signal is on, but his brain is off. Driving like a Grand Theft Auto NPC. His GPS must have said, do a flip. Bro drives like his car insurance is a scam. The brake pedal is just a suggestion to some people. He's making turns like he's in a Fast and Furious audition. Buddy driving like the road is a suggestion, not a rule. The pedestrian just unlocked a new fear. This is why I never trust crosswalks. Dude just saw his whole life in 4K slow motion. Cyclist was like, this is my road now. That jaywalker got a free cardio session. Bro's life flashed before his eyes, and it was all bad decisions. That pedestrian unlocked ninja mode mid-walk. Why do cyclists act like they have a respawn button? That guy's soul left his body before the car even got close. That was so close. I need a seatbelt just to watch this. Bro just experienced all 7 stages of grief in 3 seconds. That was so close, I swear I heard Final Destination music. Somebody buy this guy a lottery ticket. His luck is insane. That was closer than my internet history to getting exposed. The way that pedestrian moved, I think he saw the Grim Reaper. Bro just got a new lease on life for free. His guardian angel just rage quit. Driver's reflexes went from oh no to oh wow real quick. That was so close, even the car's airbags got nervous. If luck was a superpower, this guy would be the main character. Bro's car is now available in accordion mode. That bumper is now a distant memory. Somebody call NASA. This dude just launched himself into orbit. Bro turned his sedan into a compact car. Permanently. That parking job was so bad, even the cones quit. He hit that pole like it owed him money. That car flipped like it was doing gymnastics. New car feature unlocked. Unintended demolition mode. The airbags had a 5-second delay in saying, "Told ya so." Congratulations! You just unlocked a $5,000 repair bill. Bro just turned his sedan into modern art. Congratulations! You just won a free trip to the body shop. This is why we can't have nice things. That was not an optional feature in the crash test. That car just unlocked instant regret mode. Bro just turned a fender bender into a full-blown disaster. That bumper had one job, and it failed. At least his car is getting a new look, courtesy of physics. That's not an accident. That's a demolition derby audition. His car just rage quit life. Parallel parking just turned into perpendicular parking. Bro parked like he had zero respect for geometry. That's not parking, that's a crime scene. Some people shouldn't be allowed near a parking spot or a steering wheel. He parked so bad, even the curb is embarrassed. Bro just installed a new drive-thru in the wrong building. The parking spot was a suggestion, not a challenge, my guy. Just a little tap. Famous last words. That parking attempt was so bad. Even Google Maps gave up. When parking goes so wrong, even the insurance company starts laughing. car just performed an Olympic-level cartwheel. Bro just unlocked the flip-over DLC. That wasn't a turn, that was an acrobatic performance. His car just did a 360 no-scope without the scope. Bro just applied for a stuntman role, involuntarily. That car just said, "I'm out of here," and left the chat. Bro went from driving to skydiving in 2 seconds. That car flipped more times than my Wi-Fi signal. His car just became a temporary UFO. That car rolled like it was trying to escape its owner. Bro just used another car as a brake pad. Insurance companies hate this one simple trick. That's not bumper-to-bumper traffic. That's bumper-on-bumper collision. He just made a $5,000 mistake in 3 seconds. That was the most expensive game of tag I've ever seen. Bro just turned a 2-lane road into a 1-lane disaster.